Hello guys, welcome to Parvez Ahmad Knowledge channel. In this video we are discussing about the digestion, how the digestion takes place in a human body. Let's start the video. Please subscribe our video and got all the notification of our video. Okay, let's move to the topic digestion. Okay, the digestion, what is mean by digestion means the food, by the food, the nutrition can be getting by the food. It is a utilizing, it can be utilizes as a energy. Okay, next the food consisting of, what are the consequence are there in food means, one is a carbohydrates, vitamins, lipids, proteins and fats, constituents of the food. Let's begin to the human digestive system. The human digestive system, which is consisting the alimentary canal and the digestive glands. These are the two importance in an digestive system. Okay, next the first one is an alimentary canal. What are those? What are includes that alimentary canal, which can be includes that mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and rectum and anus. These all parts are included in an alimentary canal. Let's move to the mouth. In a mouth, it is also called as a buccal cavity. Okay, the mouth consists, what are the mouth is consisting, that first one is the palates, and palates having the two types of the palates. One is anterior palates and another one is the posterior palates, and having the teeth, different type of the teeth are there, incisor and other varieties of the teeth are there. Next, having the muscular tongue, which having a taste buds. Okay. The next topic is teeth. The teeth means the nature of the arrangement of the teeth, that is called as a dentition. In the human dentition, with having the heterodont, means what is meant by heterodont means the different kind of the teeth, with having there are incisors, canines and premolars, molars, are the different type of the teeth are present in a human body. The premolar and the molar teeth, which is help for the mastication and the mastication means the chewing gum, this type of the chewing gumming purpose, they are help for the premolars and the molar teeth. Next, other one is a tychodont. Tychodont means it is a present between the socket, a jaws in a jaws like bones, that is a tychodont. Next, other one is a dipicodont. Means dipicodont, we having a born child after a 6 to 7 month, the milk teeth, that's called as the small child teeth are shut down. So these teeth are called as the milk teeth. After the 7 years, the teeth are growing. The total teeth number in a human body is 32 teeth are present. 32 teeth. After an 18 year, one teeth is called, teeth are developed, that is called wisdom teeth. Wisdom teeth is developed after an 18 year. Okay. The next part of the alimentary canal, that is a pharynx. It is a pharynx. Are you looking that it is this part is called as the pharynx, which is a common passage for the both the digestive system and the respiratory system. Like two junction in a railway track, having two junctions like there, this type having, it is a common passage for digestive system, also the respiratory system. When the food means in franchias, are you looking that in franchias, when the food is passes through the pharynx, the epiglottis, it is closes the glottis. Glottis means the opening of the larynx, that is called as the epiglottis. It prevents the entry of the food in a respiratory system. The major work of the epiglottis is when the food is came through the pharynx, it is closes the respiratory system of the respiratory system passage. Okay, next, esophagus. That is a long muscular muscles are you looking that that is called as the esophagus. The muscular tube with having the 30 centimeter long. It is a 30 centimeter long, and which is conduct the food. Okay, it's conduct the food from the mouth and passing through the passes through in a esophagus. Then the food is connected to the stomach. Then at the posterior region of the esophagus, which having the esophageal sphincter, which is a circular muscle which is control the opening of the esophagus in the stomach. Okay, I understand that. Next topic, that is a stomach. The stomach, that is also called as the gastric gland. Okay, what you are all also eating, that it is all digestion in a stomach. It also storage the food. Okay, in this stomach having the three parts. One is a upper anterior part, that is called as the fundus, and the middle layer of the cardiac stomach, that is called as a cardiac stomach, and the other lower is a posterior, that is a phyrolytic stomach in antrum. Phyrolytic stomach means that is a antrum. Next, the phyrolytic stomach is leads to a small intestine by opening called as the phyrolos. Okay, phyrolos, which is guarded by the phyrolytic sphincter muscle, which is also it is a guiding system. Okay, next, the inner wall of the stomach, it bears a rouge. It is a longitudinal folds in an inner part of the stomach. Next, the next part is a small intestine. The small intestine, it is a longest part in the digestive system. The small intestine, it is a longest part in a digestive system, with having a 7 meter long and 2.5 centimeter in a diameter, and it is also consists the three parts, that is namely duodenum, which is a C-shaped in a structure. Next, that is a jejunum in a middle part of the small intestine. Another what is a ileum, it is a terminal part of the small intestine. Next part in alimentary canal, that is a large intestine. Okay, the large intestine with having a 1.5 meter long, and consisting a caecum and colon and the rectum. The caecum is well developed in a herbivorous, but in a man it is a very small. From the caecum is a finger-like vegetinal organ, that is called as the vermiform appendix. That a colon consisting of the ascending colon, transverse colon. Next one is a descending colon, and the last one is a pelvic colon. Okay, in a pelvic colon, it leads to a rectum that's open out by the anus. The anus is a guard by the sphincterini. It is a circular valuatory muscle. Next, in some of the herbivorous, a large intestine consists of several cellulose digesting bacteria. For example, in a cow, the cellulose can be digested with having present a methanogen bacteria, but in human, the methanogen bacteria is not present. are the important role of the digestive system. Then then the food is move towards the small intestine, large intestine, which is help for absorbing. One point I am missing, that intestine with having a villi finger like that structure, that is a villi, which is help for the absorbing the nutrition present in a food. Another one, large intestine, one side, are you looking that one side is there, that is called as a appendix. It is a non-functional part of in our human body. These all are the digestive system in our human body. Subscribe our video to got all the notification of the video, and also press the bell icon. Thank you for that.